Hello all, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today I am going to tell you some easy tips to overcome the stage fear that most of you might be having. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin! Easy tips to overcome stage fear. First point is accept your fear. Feeling nervous before speaking is normal. Don't try to avoid it. Face it slowly. Second point is prepare well. Know your topic properly. The more you prepare, the more confident you will feel. Third point is practice regularly. Speak in front of a mirror, record yourself, or practice with friends and family. Fourth point is start with small audiences. Begin speaking in front of one or two people and slowly increase the audience size. Fifth point is use simple words. Speak clearly and use easy language so your audience understands you easily. Sixth point is stand confidently. Keep your back straight, smile, and use hand gestures naturally. Seventh point is take deep breaths. Before going on stage, take a few deep breaths to stay calm. Eighth point is focus on the message, not the fear. Concentrate on what you are saying, not on what people might think. Ninth point is don't worry about mistakes. If you forget something or make a mistake, just continue confidently. 10th point is keep practicing. The more you speak, the better you become. Practice is the key to confidence. Thank you. I hope these tips have been helpful to you if you have some sort of stage fear. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.